Hi, this is Chef Naeem Pathan. I hope you all are doing fine and have engaged yourself in productive activities at home. To keep your culinary skills sharpened, here are my 3 recipes that you can try at home. The first recipe is a green peri paneer. To prepare a peri sauce, you need green chilies, green capsicum, whole garlic, coriander leaves, whole black peppercorn, bay leaves, and brown sugar, which is optional. You can blend all the mixture together till you achieve a smooth paste. You can use this paste and you can cook this mixture as you do for normal cooking. For paneer, you can marinate and sear it in a pan, and once they are seared, you can submerge them in the cooked peri sauce. You can check the seasoning once it is ready to serve. You can serve it along with hot steamed rice. The second dish is a Veg Momos. Veg Momos can be done in 2 parts. First, you have to prepare a dough. For the dough, you need refined flour and corn flour in equal quantities, a pinch of salt and baking soda, and cold water to knead a soft dough. For the mixture, you can use fine chopped cabbage, carrot, capsicum, green chilies, spring onion, and coriander leaves. All this vegetable can be sauteed in a hot sauteing pan for a couple of minutes till a desired texture and seasoning. You can adjust the seasoning as per your requirement. Once the mixture is cooled down, you can add it to the filling and give it desired shape. You can cook this Veg Momos in the steam container or in an idli cooker, whichever is convenient for you. You can serve this momos with any kind of chili sauce and soya sauce. The third dish is baked yogurt. Baked yogurt is one of the simplest desserts that can be prepared at home. But one important thing is that to prepare baked yogurt, you need to hang the curd overnight or for a couple of hours so to remove the excess moisture. You can do that by tying up yogurt in any kind of kitchen duster or a muslin cloth for a couple of hours, and you can hang it in the refrigerator or any kind of cold place. Once the water is removed, you can add the yogurt in the mixture in a bowl along with sugar, milk maid, or any kind of food color or food flavorings, whichever is available with you. You can mix the mixture together and you can pour the mixture in any kind of small container or katori, whichever is available at home. You can use this, then you can steam it for at least 30 minutes in any kind of steamer which is available at home. Once it is cooked at least for 30 minutes, you can cool down in a refrigerator for a couple of hours till the yogurt is set. Once the yogurt is set, you can serve it with allowing any kind of fruit compote or any kind of fruit syrup, whichever is available with you. So you can try these 3 recipes at home and you can enjoy these recipes along with your family. Until then, thank you, take care, goodbye.